Today, we will create a stylish cabinet door starting from a single panel and enhancing it with profiles. Ready to begin? We are crafting the door with MP-5250. Let's get started. Our first step is to cut the furniture profiles to the correct dimensions. We use a 45-degree miter saw to achieve the proper size and angle for the profiles. Next, we prepare the panel for the door by trimming the edges for a smoother finish. For optimal results, we recommend using a jumping saw with a marking guide for cutting all panels. The panels are cut to the desired dimensions. The edges of the cut panels are then covered with an edge bonding that matches the panel color, applied using a bonding machine. We are now at the assembly stage. As we piece together each part, remember that these doors not only provide functionality, but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. Panel, profile, fast adhesive and PU adhesive come together. Start by applying fast adhesive to the corners where the profiles meet, ensuring the corners are fully aligned and securely bonded. Apply PU adhesive and fast adhesive to the reversed profile we have assembled. Secure the profile to the panel. And there you have it. Your cabinet door made with MP-5250 is ready. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can go hand in hand. As demonstrated, combining the furniture panel and profile allows us to create a wonderful cabinet door that not only serves a practical purpose, but also becomes a piece of art reflecting the spirit of our designs.